Today is my topic time position graph. When the position of distance, the y axis and time along the x axis, the graph is known as time position graph. Clear? Then x axis, time, and y-axis, distance. Clear? So position position x and time t. Position 3 meter, 3 meter, 3 meter, 3 meter, and time 1, 2, 3, 4 means 1, 2, 3 and 4. And position 1, 2, 3. तो 1 पे 3, 2 पे 3, 3 पे 3, 4 second पे 3. That is graph is a straight line parallel to the x-axis. This is called time position graph. Clear? Now second example, position of time taken 1 second, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 second, and position 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 means 1 second पे position 2 meter, 2 second पे position 4 meter, 3 second पे position 6 meter, 4 second पे position 8 meter, and 5 second पे 10 meter, and 6 second पे 12 meter. Clear? So graph is taken means 0, 1 in x-axis and y-axis. This is time and this is distance. Clear? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 second. 1 second, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 means 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. Clear? So position 1 second, 2 second, 3 second, 4 second, 5 second and 6 second means draw a straight line. This is called position time curve. Clear? The slope of distance time curve is called velocity. That is, slope means velocity is equal to delta v delta x upon delta t. Clear? Means point P and Q, this coordinates x1 t1 and x2 t2 means slope x2 minus x1 upon t2 minus t1 velocity. Now velocity time curve means time taken in x-axis and velocity taken in y-axis means O, x and y means time and velocity. So curve between velocity and time is called VT curve, or also called VT graph. Clear? So time t and velocity v, meter per second, only second. 1 2 3 4. Here 2 4 6 8. Velocity 2 4 6 8 means 1 2 3 and 4. 2 4 6 and 8 means curve is a straight line. Clear? Now slope of curve is known as acceleration. That is, slope of curve is known as acceleration. Means A is equal to delta V upon delta T. Clear? So here 2 point, ठीक है, sorry, A is equal to delta V upon delta T, unit meter per second square. Now, given V and T, that is velocity time curve, clear, that is initial velocity and final velocity. Initial velocity of body is u and final velocity is v, and time is 0 and time is t. Clear? So point P पे velocity u है and point Q पे velocity v हुई. टाइम स्टार्टिंग किया 0 सेकंड से कहाँ तक, t सेकंड तक. दैट इज स्लोप. स्लोप ऑफ कर्व इज कॉल्ड acceleration. Means A is equal to delta V upon delta T. Means final velocity V minus U upon T minus 0. Means A is equal to V minus U upon T. Means AT is equal to V minus U. So V is equal to U plus AT. This is known as first equation of motion. First equation of motion by graphical method, also called velocity time curve. Now, find displacement in VT curve. Clear? So, answer, we know that VT curve is a straight line, that is x and y, O, time and velocity. Clear? So displacement, suppose 2 point of curve P and Q. Clear? So cover area by line PQ is called displacement. That is, area displacement is equal to area of PQBA P. Clear? So this area is called displacement. Clear? Now this velocity is u, final velocity is v, initial time 0, final time t, that is this distance is u and this is v, and distance between q and e is v minus u, and distance between AB is time t. Clear? That is area of PQBA and P. This is a closed area divided by two parts. First, area of triangle PQE plus second, area of rectangle PEBA. Clear? So half angle area of triangle, half base into height, A means PE into QE, plus rectangle length into breadth, means AB into EB. Clear? Now according to figure here, PE is equal to T, QE is equal to V minus U, AB is equal to T, and EB is equal to U. Clear? So displacement S is equal to 1 by 2 into PE means T into QE means V minus U plus AB into T or EB means U, that is UT plus half T V minus U. Clear? According to first equation, V is equal to U plus AT, means V minus U is equal to AT, means T is equal to V minus U upon A. Sorry, V minus U is equal to AT. This value putting here means S is equal to UT plus half T into V minus U. Value of V minus U is 80, that is 80. So S is equal to UT plus half AT square. This is known as second equation of motion using graphical method, also called displacement and time curve. Clear? Means displacement in VT curve. Now average speed, ratio between total distance and total time is called average speed. That is average speed is equal to total distance upon total time is called average speed, and average velocity is equal to total displacement upon total time is called average velocity.